Want to stand out on YouTube and attract the right audience? It all starts with a strong brand identity. In this video, I'll show you how to craft a unique and recognizable brand for your channel step by step. So, if you're serious about growing on YouTube, stick around. Before we get too far into this, why does brand identity even matter? Well, think about your favorite YouTubers and what makes them stand out. Their colors, their energy, their style, it's all branding. Your brand is what makes people remember you, trust you, and keep coming back. So let's break down exactly how to craft your brand identity. First, define your channel's purpose. Ask yourself, who is my target audience? What problem do I solve? Or what value do I bring? What emotions do I want my audience to feel? Your answers will shape everything about your brand, from visuals to messaging. Now let's talk about your brand elements. These include your channel name. You'll want to keep it short, memorable, and relevant. Your logo and banner. Use consistent colors and fonts, and Canva is a really great tool for this, by the way. Then there's your brand colors. You just want to pick 2 or 3 signature colors that reflect your channel's vibe. There's your font and your text style. Choose a clean, readable font for thumbnails and graphics. You may have heard the term personal branding. It's a topic that's been discussed a lot more in recent years, and that really is about you as the face of your brand. Things like your voice and energy level really do matter. Are you a high energy person, or are you relaxed, or do you come across as very professional? Then there's things like catchphrases. Do you have a signature intro or a tagline? Does your personality come through? We hear the term authenticity a lot lately, and if you are authentic, it makes it easier for your audience to connect with you, not just your content. Next, your content style needs consistency. Ask yourself, what's my video format? Is it talking head like I typically do? Is it tutorials or storytelling? What is my editing style? Fast cuts or cinematic or just raw vlogs? What's my thumbnail strategy? That's an important part of what convinces people to click through and watch your videos. So will you use bold text or certain facial expressions? Just think these things through, because consistency builds trust and recognizability, and your audience should know it's your video before they even click. Then there's the story behind the brand. Every strong brand has a story. So what's yours? Think about, why did you start this channel? What challenges did you overcome? What's your mission? When people connect with your story, they become loyal fans. Once you have these things figured out, it's time to apply your brand everywhere. Your channel art and your profile picture, your video thumbnails, your intros and your outros, and your other social media pages if you have them. Your branding should be everywhere people find you. For example, my other main platform is LinkedIn, and you can definitely see the Your Digital Ally brand reflected there. Come follow me if you're on LinkedIn. So brand identity for your YouTube channel really isn't that complicated. It just takes a little time to nail it all down. Define your purpose, choose your brand elements, be consistent in your visuals, your content, and personality. And of course, share your story to connect with your audience. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one thing you're going to improve about your branding? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips as we create more videos down the road. And here's a couple helpful videos YouTube thinks you should see next. I'll see you there.